Hello, welcome to the lesson 1 of learning to read English. Let's start with the basics. This is the letter A. The sound of A is A, like an apple. A. This is the letter B. B says B. Repeat after me. B. Ball. This is the letter C. K. Cat. K. C. K. Repeat after me. C. K. D. 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 Dog. E says A. E. A. Egg. F says F. F. Fish. Repeat after me. F. Fish. G says G. 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 Gun. Repeat after me. H says H. Horse. H. Horse. I says E. Insect. E. Insect. J says J. Jug. J. Jug. K says K. Kite. K. Kite. L says L. Lollipop. L. Lollipop. M says monkey. Monkey. N says nose. Nose. O says octopus. Octopus. P says peacock. 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 Q says question mark. Question mark. R says rose. Rose. S says sun. Sun. T says tree. Tree. U says umbrella. Umbrella. V says violin. Violin. W says watch. Watch. X says Xbox. Xbox. Y says yawn. Yawn. Z says zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Congratulations, you have learned A to Z phonics. See you in the next class. Subscribe.